Hi everyone, Consider Joy here. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 different types of wreaths that I made for Valentine's Day using almost all products from the Dollar Tree. Super cheap and super affordable and super high-end looking. If that is something that you're interested in, just keep watching. So for the most part, all of these products are from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to need this gold floral wire and this green thin floral wire and some glue sticks, of course a glue gun, some roses from the Dollar Tree. I like this particular one because it comes with 6 and I can use them on 2 projects, and then some leaves that I got at Hobby Lobby for 50% off, and those came about to $2. I also got these wooden beads for 50% off, which came about to $1, and some Dollar Tree twine. So the first thing you want to do is grab your floral wire, and I used approximately half of this wire to create a circle. So I'm just roughly cutting out how much I need, and then I'm going to bend it back and forth to cut off exactly the amount that I want to create this circle. You can create it as small or as large of a circle that you want. Once you've determined on your size, you want to go ahead and close off your circle and then slightly run your hands to kind of smooth out this circle. You can also use something that will give it shape if that helps. Next, you want to grab about 6 pieces of the leaves from the big bush, and then you want to attach these to the circle wire with some green floral wire and just attach them to the left and right side. Next, grab 3 of the roses and add a little bit of hot glue and glue them in between the twig and the wire. You can totally stop here. This part is optional. You can grab some burlap or some type of ribbon that has a blank space in the middle, and you can paint some hearts. Next, grab a long piece of twine, fold it in half and have it make a U loop, and do half of that loop on the floral wire, and then the other half pull it through that loop and secure it tight as you see on the clip now. Then go ahead and thread all your wooden beads and finish up with a knot at the top. For my second wreath, you want to grab the other half of that floral wire that you cut off from the first wreath, and then you want to fold it in half until it makes a V. Then the top portions, you want to curl them inward to make a heart, and then you're just going to twist the wire in the center to secure this shape. Once you have the heart, then you want to run your hands around this wire just to smooth out the edges and make this a more fuller heart. Next, you want to grab all of the remaining leaves that you used from your first wreath, and then using the floral wire, you want to attach all of these leaves to make a vine. Once you've made your vine, you want to start attaching it to your heart wire wreath shape. You want to start by the center where you tied the wires, and you're going to do this all around the heart shape. Next, use the 3 remaining roses, add a little hot glue, and place them wherever you would like. Use the same style for hanging the wreath as you did the first one. You need about 7 of the pink roses from the Dollar Tree and a wire heart shaped wreath also from the Dollar Tree. What you're going to do is take off the flowers from the stems and add a little hot glue in the back and attach that flower to the wire wreath. Once you've done that all around, if you have little spots like you see here, all you have to do is add a little dab of glue from all the areas where you see an opening and then pinch it so they attach together, and that closes the gap.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine.